Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify property valuations with Redfin, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type in the URL for Redfin, which is www.redfin.com. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the address of the property you wish to verify. Press the Enter key or click the magnifying glass icon to initiate the search. After the property page loads, take note of the estimated home value displayed prominently. Scroll down to find the Market Insights section on the right side of the page. This section provides valuable market data, including a summary of recent sales in the area. Look for the Price History subsection below the home value. Here, you can see the property's previous sale prices and any changes made over time. Next, to compare valuations, glance at similar properties listed nearby. Redfin will often display comparable homes with their corresponding prices for a quick assessment. Consider looking at the Property History tab. This tab reveals detailed information about the property's previous transactions and any significant changes. If available, check the Neighborhood tab for additional context on local market trends. Use this information to corroborate the estimated value. For further accuracy, you may want to visit other real estate sites like Zillow or Realtor.com. Cross-referencing can help validate your findings and ensure a thorough evaluation. Finally, make notes of any discrepancies or confirmations you find during your research. These notes will assist you in understanding the property's value better. By following these steps, you can effectively verify property valuations using Redfin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.